bow down and kneel before the Lord. So, our Maker, di ba? So, He is above all. So, ano man yung awitin natin ngayon, ano man yung mga kakantay natin ngayon, let's give all glory to the Lord, di ba? Kasi siya lang naman yung ating audience dito. Kumanta tayo, umawit tayo, huwag tayong mahiya, mawala man tayo sa tugtugan, wala man tayo sa tono, it's fine. Dahil ang wino-worship natin dito si Lord. It's not the people around us. Okay? So, let's open our mouth to worship the Lord. Let's clap kung kinakailangan, sumayaw. Let's encourage one another na we're here to worship. We're not here for someone else. Amen? Are we ready? Amen? Amen. Let's sing.